Hi there and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to talk about the best pet insurance companies in the US in 2024. So, let's have it. In 2024, pet insurance continues to be an essential investment for responsible pet owners. With various providers offering tailored plans, it's crucial to choose one that meets your pet's specific needs. This video highlights 5 of the best pet insurance companies in the US: ASPCA, Embrace, Pets Best, Spot, and Lemonade. Each offers unique advantages, from comprehensive coverage options to fast claims processing, ensuring your furry friends receive the care they deserve. So, let's start with ASPCA. ASPCA Pet Insurance stands out for its comprehensive coverage options, making it an excellent choice for pet owners. One of its key advantages is the flexibility in plan customization, allowing pet parents to choose from various annual limits, deductibles, and reimbursement rates. With annual limits ranging from $3,000 to $10,000 and deductible options between $100 and $500, pet owners can tailor their policies to fit their financial needs. The inclusion of accident-only plans provides a budget-friendly option for those seeking basic protection against unforeseen injuries. ASPCA also covers a wide range of conditions, including hereditary and congenital diseases, and offers a unique wellness plan for preventive care. Notably, there is no maximum age limit for enrollment, which is beneficial for senior pets. Additionally, ASPCA provides 10% multi-pet discount and has a strong partnership with the American Society for Prevention and Cruelty to Animals, enhancing its credibility and appeal to animal lovers. Embrace Pet Insurance. Embrace Pet Insurance is renowned for its flexible wellness plans and comprehensive coverage. One of its primary advantages is the customizable wellness plan that allows pet owners to add preventive care coverage, which includes routine checkups, vaccinations, and dental cleanings. This flexibility helps pet parents manage both unexpected medical expenses and routine care costs effectively. Embrace also offers a unique feature known as the diminishing deductible, which reduces the deductible amount by $50 for every year a pet remains claim-free, incentivizing responsible pet ownership. The company provides extensive coverage for accidents, illnesses, and even some alternative therapies, making it a versatile choice for various pet health needs. Additionally, Embrace allows for direct payments to veterinarians for larger expenses, reducing the financial burden on pet owners at the time of service. With a focus on customer service and a user-friendly claims process, Embrace is a strong contender in the pet insurance market. Pets Best. Pets Best is highly regarded for its comprehensive coverage options tailored specifically for dogs and puppies. One of its key advantages is the availability of unlimited annual coverage, which is ideal for pet owners concerned about high veterinary costs, especially for chronic conditions. Pets Best offers various plans including accident-only and accident and illness options, allowing pet owners to select the coverage that best suits their needs. The company also provides a wellness plan that covers routine care, such as vaccinations and annual checkups, ensuring that pets receive preventive care without incurring additional costs. A standout feature is the 24/7 pet helpline, which gives pet owners immediate access to veterinary advice, enhancing peace of mind. With a reputation for quick claims processing and straightforward reimbursement process, Pets Best is a reliable choice for pet insurance, particularly for those with young or active dogs. Spot Pet Insurance. Spot Pet Insurance is known for its straightforward policies and comprehensive coverage options. One of its primary advantages is the clarity of its waiting periods, which are among the shortest in the industry, allowing pet owners to access their benefits sooner. Spot offers a range of plans that cover accidents, illnesses, and preventive care, including alternative treatments and behavior therapies. The flexibility in choosing annual coverage limits, including an unlimited option, caters to pet owners with varying needs and budgets. Spot also provides a 10% discount for insuring multiple pets, making it an attractive option for families with several animals. The claims process is user-friendly, with reimbursements typically processed quickly, enhancing customer satisfaction. Spot's commitment to transparency and customer service makes it a competitive player in the pet insurance market, appealing to pet owners looking for reliable and accessible coverage. Lemonade Pet Insurance. Lemonade Pet Insurance is recognized for its innovative approach to pet insurance, particularly its fast claims processing. One of its standout advantage is the use of AI technology, which allows for claims to be processed in as little as 2 minutes, significantly reducing the waiting time for reimbursements. Lemonade offers customizable coverage options that include accident and illness protection, as well as wellness plans for routine care. The company operates on a unique model where unclaimed premiums are donated to charities chosen by policyholders, aligning with a social responsible ethos that appeals to many pet owners. Lemonade's straightforward pricing structure and lack of hidden fees contribute to its transparency and customer trust. Additionally, the mobile app provides easy access to policy management, claim submission, and tracking, enhancing the overall user experience. With its modern approach and commitment to social good, Lemonade is a compelling choice for tech-savvy pet owners. Choosing the right pet insurance provider is vital for ensuring your furry companions receive the best possible care without financial stress. Each of the highlighted companies offers unique benefits tailored to different needs and preferences. By carefully evaluating your options and considering factors such as coverage, claims processing, and customer service, you can make an informed decision that protects your pet's health and well-being for years to come. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.